Hey guys, if you are planning for your very first apartment, this checklist is super helpful. So everything is organized by section. So we've got kitchen and dining, pantry, cookware, bedroom, bathroom, laundry room. We've got entryway, outdoors, and then a huge section for shopping list and notes. So basically, this is everything that you might need to purchase and buy to fill up your apartment. And so it's all customizable. So if you wanted to put in something different, you just highlight the cell and then type in something different. And then check everything off as you go along, as you buy all of the items that you need. And then if you have notes, so if you want to say like, don't forget rent. Whatever you want to type, that would be wonderful. So you can print this out and then, put it in a binder and check it off as you go along. And that would be super helpful also. The README tab is helpful. And then this is going to have the link to the YouTube video once I'm done with it. So to print it out, you're just going to hit File, Print. Make sure the scale is fit to width. Do it as portrait, and then it'll have everything ready. Uncheck all your boxes, and then everything will be ready for you to print out and use. So that's pretty much it. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet, and have a great day.